Tight leggings on, boy. Your Android went off. It said BBB, you ugly ass boy. Your grandma got messed up by Italian, Indian, major with Mongolian tippy toes. You got messed up by dirty console with 2 nipples on it. Boy, you look like Hong Kong, except it's not Asian anymore. You got all these Mongolian tippy toes. Such a lame ass up, boy. You got messed up by Let's Go Soccer with booty shorts on. Such a lame ass up. You buy SpongeBob with sandals on. Get him, Ditto.
Hands up, fly away. Bitch ass nigga, that nigga really sound my soul. Lame ass nigga, you like an English teacher at 12 lunch. You like this kid with a hot shirt for your ass.
That nigga shut your ugly ass up. Yo, grandma got messed up by white teens with pillows on it. Boy, you look like a sunflower from the moon. Shut your ugly ass up. Yo, grandma got messed up by Upper Moon from Demon Slayer cause she couldn't get any dick. Boy, you ugly as hell. Shut your lame ass up. Who you talk to like that? Boy, you about to call but Discord file, but get him.
Past lives could never hold me down. Now shooting in the sky and down. Never know who you saw. Powers to my soul. Never know the superpowers. Never know who you saw. My soul. Good ass nigga. Question mark. This is like
you actually tried to Walmart ship your grandma, boy. You went to school with 2 dildos in your hand. Your grandma caught this call you long and rolling, boy. Shut your ugly ass up. Your grandma got messed up by a Timber with khaki shorts on. Shut your lame ass up. Who you talk to like that, boy? Your grandma got messed up by a lotion bottle with a bath on it and some devil horns. You ugly as shit, boy. You about the rainbow shotgun robot from link my number 89, nigga. Shut your ugly ass up. After you started, you tried to catch your grandma at the back of Kroger with 2 Piccadillys in your hand. Shut your ugly ass up. Your grandma got messed up by Taco Bell's. Not even Taco Bell's fine, boy. Shut your lame ass up. But you don't got bells in your titties. You got yeet transitions, boy. Shut your ugly ass up. Get him, Ditto.
This is the motherfucking D-O-double-G. They get him like Russo with a motherfucking big ass nigga. You like Sub-Zero with a hockey. You like Grim Reaper with a fucking floating lamp in his back pocket. You big ass nigga. You like Blood with a heart in his back pocket. You like an emoji with a battery. You like a Superman with obesity. You like Shark with a hot shirt. You like Clown with a haunted meal. You like Sign with a mega on his forehead. You like a Batman with skinny jeans. Get him.
I got to hear Ditto. Can y'all hear Ditto? Can y'all hear Ditto?
Holy shit!
Wait, listen, wait, stop roasting him real quick. Wait, listen.
Holy shit, nigga.